مدارس الطالب الذكي. القرآن حياتنا نحو جيل إسلامي أمثل.
Welcome in Macmillan Education English Wordlet class for grade 4. Hello grade 4. Today we have a new lesson in grammar, unit 7. Much, many, a lot of, and lots of. Today we are going to know the difference between them. But first of all, I want you to warm your minds up. Let's remember the difference between the singular nouns and the plural one. The singular is one thing, but plural more than one. Can you see the one car? What about the two cars? Yes, if they are two, they are gonna be two cars with adding S. What about the one flower? But if they are three, they are three flowers. Now, I want you to pay attention and know the difference between the countable and uncountable nouns and what is the meaning of them. Here in this picture, can you see the countable nouns? Here we have eggs, banana, olive, burger, hot dog, apples. Can I say one banana? Yes. Can I say 3 apples? Yes. Can I say 5 burgers? Yes. So they are countable nouns. Why? Because I can count them. I can say numbers with these nouns. Let's see the uncountable nouns. Here we have salt, milk, sugar, rice, tea. Can I say 1 rice? No. Can I say 5 cheeses? No. So they are uncountable nouns because I can't count them. I can't use numbers with them. I can't say 1 rice, 2 honeys. They are wrong because they are uncountable nouns. So we can say 1 egg, 2 eggs. 1 apple, 4 apples, 1 banana, 5 bananas. But we can't say 1 rice, 2 rices, 1 sugar, 6 sugars. Here let's make this exercise to know if we are understanding or not. Beside each noun, write a C if it's a countable noun or U if it's an uncountable noun. Number 1, carrots. Is this noun countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. Excellent. Number 2, tomatoes. Countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. Broccoli. Uncountable. Potatoes. Countable. Rice. Uncountable. Peppers? Yes, excellent. Countable. Strawberries? Yes, countable. Eggs? Of course, countable. Cherries? Countable. Cheese? Uncountable. Apples? Excellent. Countable. Soup? Uncountable. Excellent, grade 4. Now, I want you to know the difference between many, much, a lot of, lots of. First of all, I want you to know the usage of these words. Many comes with the countable nouns, and much comes with the uncountable nouns. A lot of, the same meaning of lots of, and both are coming with countable and uncountable nouns. Clear? Okay. Let's see how can we use them in the sentence. Here we have 2 tables. Can you see these 2 tables? Yes, I have a countable nouns table and an uncountable nouns table and a countable nouns table. Here in the uncountable nouns, we have affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and a question. First, I want to see in affirmative sentence. I can use a lot of. Yes, I have a lot of money. So I can use a lot of in affirmative sentence with uncountable nouns. The same meaning lots of. I can use it in affirmative with uncountable. Much. Can I use it in affirmative sentence? No. What about the negative? Yes, I can use much in negative sentences with uncountable nouns. I don't have much money. I don't have a lot of money. So here in negative, I can use much and a lot of. What about questions? Do you have much money? Do you have a lot of money? So here I can use both, much and a lot of. Come to see the countable nouns table, the plural countable nouns table. In affirmative sentence, I can use a lot of, lots of, and also many. Let's read. I have a lot of friends. I have lots of friends. I have many friends. So in affirmative sentence, I can use a lot of and lots of and many. What about the negative sentence? I can use many too, and I can use also a lot of. So many comes with the countable plural nouns in the affirmative and negative sentences. Can you see in the question? Do you have many friends? Do you have a lot of friends? So here also in question, I can use many and a lot of. So much comes with uncountable nouns in negative and questions only. Many comes with plural countable nouns, but in affirmative, negative, and questions too. A lot of has the same meaning of lots of, and both coming with countable and uncountable nouns. Here, I want you to know, if I want to ask, if I have something, but the noun is countable or uncountable, I can use is there with much in uncountable nouns, and are there many with countable nouns. Let's see how can I ask about these countable and uncountable nouns. Can you see the first picture? I have a river and I have water going through this river. I want to ask a question using water and river. Water is countable or uncountable noun? No, water is uncountable noun. So what will I use? What will I use? Much or many? Yes, much. So I will say, is there much water in the river? My answer will be, no, there isn't. I can't see much water going through the river. Okay, let's see picture number 2. I have trees and forest. Trees, countable or uncountable noun? Yes, countable noun. So what will I use? Much or many? Yes, many. So I will use, are there many trees in the forest? Can you see many trees in the forest? Yes, there are. Again, we have another question using much and many, which is how much or how many? How much come with countable nouns because much comes with countable nouns. How many comes with uncountable nouns because many comes with uncountable nouns. Let's see how can we know. Let's answer exercise in workbook page 64. Complete with how much or how many. Number 1. Goats are there in the farm. Which one will I use in this question? How much or how many? I have here goats. First of all, I will see what noun do I have here in this question. Goats? Okay. Goats is a countable noun or uncountable noun? Yes, countable noun. So I will use how many. So how many goats are there in the farm? Number 2, snow. Snow is countable or uncountable noun? Snow, I can see it with the quantity, not the number. So it's not countable. It's an uncountable noun. Here, I will use much or many. Yes, much. Thank you. How much snow is there on the mountains? Number 3, people live in the desert. People are countable or uncountable? People are countable, yes. What will I use? How much or how many? Excellent. How many? Number 4, tents. Tents is countable or uncountable? Yes, countable. Okay. Now I will use how much or how many? Yes, how many? Number 5, bread. Is countable or uncountable noun? Uncountable noun. Excellent. What will I use? Yes, how much? Number 6, time. Countable or uncountable? Can I say 1 time, 3 times, 4 times? No. It's uncountable noun. So what will I use? How much or how many? Thank you. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you, grade 4. Welcome.